Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access and enabling channel features. Make sure you have admin rights in Shopify and a verified YouTube channel. Next, install the Shopify YouTube channel app or plan to connect Google Merchant Center. This lets YouTube pull product data. Once done, prepare a clean product feed with accurate titles, descriptions, prices, images, and GTIN or SKUs. This prevents rejections later. You'll also want your business information and tax settings ready so the linking flow proceeds without interruptions. Now configure the product feed and permissions. Export or sync your Shopify feed to Google Merchant Center, checking currency and availability fields match your store. Once Merchant Center has the feed, grant YouTube permission to access it, and enable product linking inside YouTube Studio under Monetization or the Merchandise tab. Make sure shipping, returns, and tax settings in Merchant Center mirror your Shopify settings to avoid mismatches. After you connect accounts, allow time for Google to review and approve the feed before products appear. Finish by enabling product placements. Turn on product shelves, shopping cards, or tags in YouTube Studio and assign the Merchant Center feed. Then verify products appear on your channel page and under applicable videos. Preview placements and test clicks through to product pages. If items are missing, use Merchant Center diagnostics to identify policy violations, GTIN mismatches, or permission errors. A key troubleshooting tip: if products are rejected, fix the specific feed error, republish a corrected feed, and request re-review. Most issues resolve after one resubmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.